Did you know that a simple recipe can completely transform your energy, boost your immunity, and even help detox your body? That's right. Today I'm going to reveal a powerful detox smoothie that will not only make your body feel lighter, but also fill you with energy to take on the day. But before we dive into the details of this amazing recipe, don't forget to leave your like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any content like this. And of course, share it with that friend who's always looking for a healthier lifestyle. Detox smoothies are often associated with the idea of cleansing the body, but many people still wonder how they really work. In reality, these smoothies aren't magical. But when properly formulated, they offer a powerful combination of nutrients that directly support the body's natural detoxification processes. Our body already has organs like the liver and kidneys, responsible for eliminating toxins, but what we consume can significantly impact how well these functions perform. Ingredients rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and bioactive compounds can help amplify this natural process. Why are spinach and kale so important? These leafy greens are nutritional powerhouses. They're rich in chlorophyll, a compound that helps cleanse the blood and remove toxins from the liver. Additionally, they're loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, which improve skin health, strengthen bones, and enhance the immune system. The power of lemon and ginger. These two ingredients play complementary roles in the smoothie. Lemon, besides being high in vitamin C, is known for its alkalizing effect on the body, which helps balance pH levels and boost immunity. Ginger, on the other hand, is a natural anti-inflammatory. It can reduce silent inflammation in the body, improve digestion, and even ease stomach discomfort. Pineapple and bromelain. Pineapple is more than just a sweet and refreshing fruit. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids in protein digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate muscle and joint pain. It's a fruit that not only tastes great, but also benefits both the digestive and immune systems. Chia or flax seeds, small but mighty. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, which supports gut health and helps cleanse the digestive system. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, a type of healthy fat that improves cardiovascular health and helps fight inflammation. The secret of the combination. What makes this smoothie so special is the balance between the ingredients. While spinach and kale cleanse, lemon and ginger strengthen, pineapple energizes, and the seeds ensure proper digestive health. Together, these foods create a complete drink capable of detoxifying, nourishing, and revitalizing the body. Each sip of this smoothie isn't just delicious, it's a step closer to strengthening your health from the inside out. Preparing this smoothie is incredibly simple, and the ingredients are easy to find, making it a quick and practical recipe for anyone looking to start their day on a healthy note. Here's a closer look at the steps and some additional tips to make your smoothie experience even better. Ingredients, breakdown, and why they matter. 1 cup of spinach or kale, washed. These greens are the foundation of your smoothie, providing a concentrated dose of vitamins and minerals. Make sure they're fresh and thoroughly washed to preserve their nutrients. Half a lemon, juiced. Freshly squeezed lemon juice adds a tangy flavor while delivering vitamin C and detoxifying properties. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger for an added zing and a boost to your metabolism. Freshly grated ginger is key. If you like a milder flavor, reduce the quantity slightly. 1 cup of pineapple, cubed. Pineapple is the natural sweetener of this recipe. Cut it into small cubes for easy blending and maximum freshness. 1 teaspoon of chia or flax seeds. These seeds act as nutrient-packed toppings, adding a creamy texture when blended. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber to enhance digestion. 1 cup of cold water or coconut water. This serves as the base, helping blend everything smoothly while keeping the drink light and hydrating. If you prefer a sweeter taste, coconut water is an excellent choice. Step-by-step preparation. Start with the greens. Add the spinach or kale to your blender first. This ensures the blades break them down completely, preventing any leafy chunks in the final drink. Add the lemon juice and ginger. Squeeze the lemon directly into the blender and sprinkle in the grated ginger. These two ingredients not only complement the taste, but also give the drink its detoxifying and energizing qualities. Layer with pineapple and seeds. Place the pineapple cubes on top of the greens, followed by the chia or flax seeds. The natural sweetness of the pineapple balances the earthy flavor of the greens. Pour in the water. Add 1 cup of cold water or coconut water to make blending easier. If you like your smoothie extra cold, toss in a few ice cubes. Blend until smooth. Start on a low speed to crush the ingredients, then gradually increase the speed until you get a creamy, uniform texture. This should take about 30 to 45 seconds. Pro tips for the best smoothie. Experience freshness matters. Use fresh ingredients whenever possible, especially the greens and pineapple, to maximize nutrients and flavor. Experiment with substitutes. If you're out of pineapple or want to change, mango, strawberries, or even frozen berries make excellent alternatives. Customize the consistency. If you prefer a thicker smoothie, reduce the amount of water or add a small banana to the blend. Serving and consumption. Serve your smoothie immediately after preparing to take full advantage of the fresh ingredients' nutrients. Ideally, drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows your body to absorb all the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants efficiently, giving you an energetic start to your day. Now it's your turn. What are you waiting for? To try this game-changing recipe? Let us know in the comments how your smoothie turned out and whether you discovered new benefits from these super ingredients. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more healthy tips and amazing recipes. And of course, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell because there's so much more exciting content coming your way.